Hello everyone, this video shows how to fix the leaking multi-turn valves under the sink and near the toilet. This is a multi-turn valve under the sink. There is water leaking out of this valve when I am turning it. In many cases, you may find there is no water leaking when the valve is turned to a certain position. This type of leaking is usually induced by the bad sealing between the stem and packing washer. To fix this type of leaking, we do not need to replace the whole valve, we just need to replace the stem and packing washer. Close the water main shut-off valve for the home. Drain the water in the home's plumbing system. Loosen the screw of the valve handle and remove the valve handle. Loosen and remove the packing nut. Rotate the stem counterclockwise to take it out. The surface of the stem is very rough for some region. The sealing between the rough stem surface and the packing washer is bad, which is the reason for the water leaking. For this type of leaking, we need to replace the stem and packing washer. Remove the old packing washer from the packing nut. Here is a new stem with new washers. Install the new stem into the valve, rotate clockwise all the way. Install the packing nut. Install the valve handle. Tighten the packing nut using the wrench. I will go ahead do the same thing for another multi-turn valve before opening the main water valve to test. Here is another multi-turn valve, which is the shut-off valve for the toilet. There is also water leaking out of this valve when I am turning it. Loosen the screw of the valve handle and remove the valve handle. Loosen and remove the packing nut. Rotate the stem counterclockwise to take it out. There are some scratches on the stem surface, which is the most likely reason for water leaking. There is no washer at the end of the stem. Actually, it is broken and found at the water container. Here is a new multi-turn valve of the same brand and size, Eastman Speedflex, 1/2 inch inlet and 3/8 inch outlet. Disassemble the new valve. Clean the inside of the valve. Check if the inside of the valve is clean.
It's our bread and butter, so we got to keep it up here, and we can't let them get comfortable because they've got some great players.
Install the new stem into the valve, rotate clockwise all the way. Install the new packing washers and new packing nut. You may use the old packing nut, but make sure to use the new packing washers. Tighten the packing nut. Install the valve handle.
So what do you say in that locker room for Georgia Tech to come out?
Open the water main shut-off valve for the home. Now let's turn this valve to see if there is any leak. There is no leak now. Let's check the multi-turn valve under the sink. No leak anymore. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, you may leave your comments below. Good luck with your project.